have I got a story for you. This morning, I went to church to go speak to my pastor about becoming a ministry director for the hosting team at the church I go to. And at the front of our church, we have a coffee shop. It serves not only coffee, but it also serves food and snacks and other wonderful things. I was standing at the counter and just eyeing up at the coffees when all of a sudden my eyes glanced across to a bacon and egg roll. All of a sudden I felt this urge. There were cookies, there were breakfast rolls, and a host of other exquisite food. At first, I had to look away. At first, I was like, no. I don't need to look at that. I don't need to be tempted. That is not a part of my life anymore. I don't need that. But then as my eyes drew back to the coffee, my eyes glanced back over to the other menu. And that's when I got really drawn in, and my mind almost went into a complete trance as I was eyeing off the amazing treats that I could have. It was like having a devil and an angel on my shoulders. One saying, "Go on, you know you want to. You can give in just this once. After all, you are allowed to have cheat days. You'll be okay just this once." And the other one saying, "Be strong. Don't give in to temptation. You know you can do it. I believe in you." And then, "Don't listen to that. You know you want it so badly. You can have a cheat day just today." But then, all of a sudden, "Henry, remember why you're doing this. You're doing this to improve your health, to get off thyroid tablets, to lose weight, to feel better." I felt myself reaching for my wallet. I was going to do it. I was going to buy the bacon and egg roll, and I was going to buy a coffee, and I was going to get vanilla put in it. Just a bit of sweetener. I was giving into the temptation. I was behind another customer, and as the customer moved away, I was about to open my mouth and give my order of a flat white coffee with vanilla and a bacon and egg roll, when suddenly my pastor came in and said, "Henry, are you ready for the prayer meeting?" This broke me out of my trance-like state, and I suddenly realized that I need to remember my why. I need to think about why I'm doing this. So I asked myself, why am I doing this? I'm doing this to help my thyroids, to help me lose weight, to help myself feel better. And that was enough for me. Then I remembered, what am I doing? I don't usually even eat breakfast. Why would I even want this? I found myself with renewed strength and determination to keep moving forward in this diet, making sure that I wouldn't fall and stumble. I was tempted to have my first cheat day 1 month after starting the carnivore diet. I almost gave in and bought things that are completely off the carnivore diet. That's when I realized what I really wanted, and that was to get better, to lose weight, and to heal my thyroid. When you're feeling tempted, or you feel like, why not? A little cheat day won't hurt. Just think about your why. Think about why you're doing this. Does this why touch your heart? Does this why make you want to cry? Does this why bring in the emotions that you need to push forward and say no to that temptation? No, I don't want anything to do with that. And move forward. Now, let me get this clear. Occasionally it would be okay to have a cheat day, but not on things like bread or things that can be really harmful to you. If you're going to have a cheat day, have it on healthier foods, like maybe some vegetables that aren't high in carbs, maybe some broccoli or cauliflower, if you can handle that, or perhaps even have some lettuce or something like that. Something that's not going to break you out of ketosis, but something that you enjoy. And maybe even a little bit of fruit, like raspberries or strawberries. Another thing that won't kick you out of ketosis, but it's something you can still enjoy, but only do it once a month. If you're going to give yourself a cheat day, choose a day you're going to be doing it and do it once a month. If you're going to do it at all. My recommendation would be try not to do it at all. But if you do it on the healthier items. Something that won't kick you out of ketosis. Will put you back 3 steps. Try to remember, we all go through temptations. There's always times where people will be tempted to give in and have something they know they shouldn't. If you find yourself giving in to temptation once in a day, remind yourself that you're going to be good for the rest of the day. And you're going to continue on with the correct way of doing things. Remember your why. Why are you doing this? Are you doing this to lose weight so you can be there for your kids? Are you doing this so that you can impress a girl or the man you're after? Are you doing this to help yourself feel better or to heal from an issue? Whatever your reasons, remember your why. Keep strong. Keep going. I'm going to be starting a Carnivore Facebook group. You can join that if you wish to. Then we can keep each other accountable and keep each other strong. I believe in you and you can be strong. You can get through this. And even though temptation will come, there's always going to be a way out. And just remember your why. That is the biggest thing I can say. Alright guys, that's it for this particular video. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, worry about it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this story. Now this is true. This is a true story. This happened today. Also to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. Right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and bye for now.